Just landed in Cancun and wondering, should I exchange money now? Dollars or pesos? Airport or hotel? ATM or exchange office? Don't worry, we'll walk you through the smartest way to manage your money in Mexico. No fluff, just facts. Let's go. The official currency here is the Mexican peso, but in tourist zones like Cancun and Playa del Carmen, US dollars are often accepted, especially in hotels, large restaurants, and souvenir shops. Still, paying in pesos is usually cheaper. Why? Because when you pay in dollars, the rate is often rounded in favor of the business. So if you're planning to explore local places, cenotes, or take a colectivo, pesos are the way to go. You've got three main options for getting pesos: casa de cambio, currency exchange offices; banks like Azteca or Banregio; ATMs available almost everywhere. Exchange offices usually offer the best rate for cash USD to pesos. They're fast, no paperwork, and no lines. Just be sure to compare rates between a few. Some charge hidden fees or offer bad rates. Banks are more official but slower. Some may require ID and have queues. ATMs are super convenient, but watch out for high international fees and bad conversion rates if you choose USD to MXN at the machine. Pro tip: always withdraw in pesos and decline ATM conversion. Let your bank handle it, usually cheaper. Here's what not to do. When exchanging money in Mexico, don't use airport exchange booths unless it's urgent. The rates are often the worst. Avoid changing money on the street or with helpful strangers, even in tourist areas. Don't exchange large amounts without checking the rate and commission. Avoid hotel front desks. Their rates are usually low. And whatever you do, don't carry huge amounts of cash. Pickpockets do exist, especially in crowded areas. So, what's the smart way to handle currency here? Bring some cash, USD or EUR, to exchange on arrival. Use ATMs in banks or malls, not random ones on the street. Exchange a little at a time. Rates can vary week to week. Keep small bills, 20s, 50s, 100s. Super useful for tips, taxis, and small shops. Bonus tip: some excursion companies and souvenir shops show prices in dollars, but always ask if you can pay in pesos. You might save a few bucks. Managing your money in Mexico doesn't have to be a hassle. A little prep goes a long way and helps you avoid losing money on bad rates. So, skip the tourist traps, pay in pesos when possible, and know your options.
Your wallet will thank you.